So now let's move to our coding part of Firebase web login, because this is simple only HTML code. So let's see how we can do our JS code. So again, come to Firebase console, create a new project. So giving project name like Firebase tutorial. Continue. I accept. Create project. So my project has been creating. Wait few moments until it's get completed. So you can see my project has been created. So click on continue. Then here I am using Firebase for web logging. So in this tutorial I am using only web. Later I will show you how you can use Firebase login system for Android also. For now let's use this for only web. So click on this web icon, then Firebase web app, then register app. Now you can see, so you can simply copy this code and copy it and paste in your HTML page. So here pasting the code, script or remove it, paste the code, save it. So using this code our page will be connected to Firebase server. Again back to project. Now after that click on continue to console. So it's done. Now let's see how you can enable your Firebase login system. So click on authentication. Click on this. Now you can see it's showing sign up method. So click on setup sign in method. Then first let's enable this email password. Click on this, save it. So email password has been enabled in our project. Then first back to VS Code, save it. Again back to Chrome and back to this page. Click on refresh. Let's open console, inspect console. So we don't need to see this error because it's coming from Bootstrap. Now let's see how you can work with sign in. So you need to add a Firebase auth library of JavaScript. So let's search Firebase auth CDN. Let's open this page. So here if you see, this, you can see it's Firebase auth library. You need this in your project to work with Firebase login system. So copy this library, again back to VS Code and add this library here, paste it, save it, again back to VS Code, refresh page. So everything is okay. So first let's work with email and password sign up. So let's work on this. Again back to VS Code, then here change this to user email and user password, and change this to form action equal to hash, and change this button to button. Save this form and let's access this input and this button in your code. So giving this ID of button. So id equal to sign up button. Back to code. So here where sign up button equal to document dot get element by id, passing id sign up. Let's check again. Sign up button, copy it, paste here. Again copy the same line. Email sign up, password sign up. Let's see. Copy this id of email, paste here, then copy this password, paste here. After that, sign up button dot on click equal to function. Then you need to do our coding here. So first add Firebase dot auth dot create user with email and password, then passing email sign up dot value. After that, password sign up dot value. After that, dot then function response close it, then console dot log response. After that, dot catch. So anything, if error happened, you can catch here. Error console dot log error. Save it. Now let's check it's working or not. So back to Chrome, refresh page, click on sign up new account, then giving super coders dot tech @gmail.com, then logging with so super. Let's see. So you can see it's showing message. So let's correct it. So let's correct this message. So again click on sign up. So you can see my user has been created. You can see new user has been created. If you open this database and click on user, you can see new account has been created with user ID and sign in date. Again back to here. Now let's do some more coding here. So for now, delete this, delete account, delete it. Again back to VS Code, and here sign up button dot equal to true, and change this to false. Then here make this disable button false, also paste here false. Save it, and here changing text to sign up button dot text content registering your account. Please wait, and change this to sign up. Let's see what is the default message. So it's sign up, change here also, save it, again back to Chrome, come here, refresh page, let's try again. So click on sign up with new account and passing supercoders.tech@gmail.com, password, sign up, and you can see registering your account, and you can see the message. So you can see my new account has been created and it contains user and everything detail. So if you see more about here, it's showing message email verified and email. So we need to send an email verification to user email so they can enable your account, or how you can send email verification for verify your email. So let's see how you can send email verification to verify your email when using login with email and password. So again back to VS Code, and here after sign up, so let's see, sign up successfully, or remove this, and here sending verify email and pass this button, save here. Let's create this method, so copy it and here button. After that also let's pass here email sign up, save it. Let's create function, save this, and here first sending email verification. So here sending email verification, then Firebase dot auth current user dot send email verification, then function response dot catch function error console dot log error console dot log response, save it, and let's move this code here. So cut this code and paste here and paste here, remove the comment, save it, again back to Chrome, refresh page and click on this page, refresh page, let's delete this user again. So delete account, delete it. After that refresh page and here sign up new account, then supercoders dot tech@gmail.com, login, so here is one error. Let's see what is this error. So come again here firebase.auth, and here I miss calling method, save it, again refresh page and refresh this page also. So delete it again, delete account, delete it, and here. Also close this page and refresh page again. Then try to log in. So supercoders.tech@gmail.com. So super again, try to sign up. So you can see my account has been created, and also it sent the verification email in my mail. So let's open my Gmail account, which contain verification for email, verify link. Also you can customize this template. So let's see how you can customize template. So click on this template and you can see it's showing verification email. So you can change it like Firebase website. So in this way you can change the template message here. For now, let's close it and save it. Again come here, let's verify this email. So let's click on this link. So you can see my email has been verified. Now let's close this page and come to here. Now you can see I successfully signed up my account in Firebase. Now let's see, try to log in with your email and password.